Our trip with Will and Shishi started off just fine with a lobster dinner, but you'll never guess where, in the parking lot next to a Mercer truck. That's the company we used to drive for. Our next stop was Mayberry, where the Andy Griffin Show was filmed. And here's QP modeling with the Darlings truck, and the whole family in front of the Darlings house. Driving through my town too fast is going to cost you $15. Pay the justice of the peace.
And now the old police car. Will and Sissy, come have a look.
Thank you, Megan. Our handmade RV Freya license tag looks great.
Wow.
Here's QP picking up some wild vegetables again.
Wild
This is how wild cabbage grows.
out of nowhere.
The sign says it's a 20-minute hike. Watch and see how that turns into 2 hours. This is the short 20-minute hike from the overlook.
Oh, 小心 Come here. No. Come to mommy. Let me lay down and listen the water a while.
Okay, QP, break's over. Let's go back. Can you imagine getting to be 30 years old and never had a hot dog cooked on an open fire? These kids were in heaven.
This is Rocky Knob. We've been here many times before. I remember there's a really beautiful trail in here. I always like to find a beautiful place to take some picture.
After a long day of hiking, now it's time for a good meal and relax.
Early in the morning, we not wake up everybody to watching sunrise. Feel very romantic.
Mabry Mill is right on the Blue Ridge Parkway. You should stop and take a walk through history. There's so many signs that explains life in the Appalachians. Will was very interested in early American life. QP, however, was only interested in playing and modeling. She even got Shishi involved before we had to leave Mabry Mill, headed for Fisher Point. The Fisher Peak Trail is a short hike that goes right by the music center. So off we go. The forest on this trail is very thick, and there's not very many places that you can get an overlook. Can you see Freya out in the distance?
I'm now searching for mushrooms. The first two mushrooms cannot eat, but the beef steak mushroom is so delicious and very beautiful. What a wonderful place for sexy pictures. But what a pity, so many people around here. I think these rocks will make my sound more beautiful.
妈妈溜溜的山上，一朵溜溜的云，端端溜溜的照在康定溜溜的城哟。
Our time with Will and Shishi has come to an end. He has to go back to work, and we have to go back to New Bern. I don't know if they picked out a name yet, but here comes Lady Samantha around the corner. Getting closer. Samantha was raised on a boat, and now she's bought one of her own. Yay! She finally made it home! We made another trip to the forest to forage for mushrooms, and tonight we're going to do a mushroom taste test. None of our friends got violently ill, at least not early in the evening, and we went out for a walk with our best moonlight buddies.
My Chinese girlfriend Li Yanhua bring a chicken for me she raised. and my grandmother taught me how to kill a chicken. Okay, let's do it. I want to save the blood for blood pudding. Now the chicken is dead. Let's clean it. Thank you very much, Li Yanhua. I cooked my hometown style spicy chicken. It's so yummy. It's special chicken feet.
On another hike in the forest, we found this interesting animal nest. We think it's a crawdad.
Still box turtle?
Yep, close his door. Just tap, tap, tap. Not in front of. He's so fat he can't close his door. There he goes. Okay.
There's leaves in here. Okay.
Okay, set him down.
Oh! Jesus! 脑壳动车 He'll bite you!
Not if he gets him by the head, good.
Whoa! What doing?
It's going to get you.
Ayo!
Best you got, buddy.
脑壳动车 He'll bite you!
Not if I can get him.
Jesus!
Good job, Willard.
Jesus! Oh.
Good size.
Yeah. Do you know this one will eat other snakes?
No,
This one can eat rattlesnakes and water moccasins.
it's poison?
Should we
No.
take him back to the marina?
You want to?
No.
Take him out of the
No.
But we're going to let him go in the marina.
But that's not the national
There's a
park.
lot of water moccasins there.
Yes.
So this adventure has come to an end. We hope you join us when we go back up to the Blue Ridge Parkway for some beautiful photo shoots.